Hello everyone, today I have an unboxing of a card game for y'all. This is Apples to Apples. This is the 2017 version. There's been quite a few iterations of this particular game. Just like the refresh Taboo game, which I also did a video on. So with this new edition, they have definitely modernized the word and pick list that you can have on these cards. So gone are the 70s or 80s or 90s references, and now it's more geared towards the 21st century and in what's hip and happening right now. So even if you did own a previous version of Apples to Apples, I still think it's worth it to buy this edition because of the modern refresh. And plus, if you've played the older versions enough, I'm pretty sure you've gotten a little bit tired of the same cards over and over again. So this is a nice way to refresh your deck. Now, for those of you who don't know about Apples to Apples, it is a 4 to 8 player game. It plays similar to Cards Against Humanity, if you heard of that game, but this is definitely a much more censored version of that. Basically, you have one judge who would pick the best red apple card that would match the description on the green apple card. The judge for that round, of course, would not put down their own red apple cards, and so he would blindly shuffle the cards and pick which ones he or she thinks matches the green card the best. And then once somebody accumulates 4 green cards, then that person wins, or however many you want to keep the game going for. So that's pretty much the gist of the game. It's really straightforward. Anybody can really pick this up. But this particular version, as you can see with the instruction guide, there's actually another way you can play it with. You can play it a speed round now, which means everybody needs to quickly put down their card, and then if the last person who puts down their card will not be considered. Or you can make the game a little bit harder, in which you have to put down a red card that matches both of the words on the green card. Before, the green card only had one term that you have to match up for, but now there's an option to have 2, so you can also try to see if your particular red card can match both of the characteristics on the green card. So now with this set, it comes with a total of 441 red cards and 63 double-worded green cards, as you can see here. So I'm happy to report that you definitely get your money's worth in terms of how many cards in this set. And a little tidbit that you may or may not know is that if you remove the black tray from the actual cardboard box, it makes for a pretty good card organizer, so you can easily remove cards in a stack formation. So there you have it, guys. That's your first look at the 2017 edition of the Apples to Apples game. I definitely really enjoyed this game. It's a really nice game to play at parties and just around with your friends. So I'll put the product link as usual in the description so you guys can check it out. It doesn't cost very much on Amazon.